Alright, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Go on ahead and open a new tab and search Blogger. Click on the first link right here. It is going to be taking you to this particular interface, and go on ahead and create an account. So what you want to do is go on ahead and create a blogging website that looks something like this. It is really easy to do. Just go on ahead and create it, and after you are done, what you want to do is go to Google AdSense, create an account, and add your banking details and everything you need to add, and click on this section right here which says add site. Go on ahead and click on it and add your blogging website link right here, and at the end of every single month, Google is going to be running ads. That is, Google AdSense is going to be running ads on your website, and they are going to be paying you directly to your bank account. Yes, of course, I've not gone through the entire details, but this is basically everything you need to get started. But if you guys